Hello students, today we are discussing pointers and arrays concept. Okay, so we are implementing today both pointers and arrays concept. Here the name of the array is a pointer constant to the first element. The address of the first element and the name of the array both represent the same location in memory. Okay, suppose when I am defining a array a of 10 like this, when anywhere I can use the array name. The array name itself is a pointer constant. It always points first element of the array, means first element address value. Okay, see the example here. Int a of 5 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, both a of 0, I am giving here a array name, a of 0, a, both a first element and array name are pointing first element value. What is the address here? 2000. I given 2000 first byte address. Okay, so a of 1 is 2, a of 2 is 3, a of 3 is 4, a of 4 is 5, like this. Okay, so but we have important first element a of 0 a. Okay, now the address of the first element a of 0 and the name of the array a both present, and name of the array a both present, same memory location 2000. Okay, same memory location 2000. This is pointer array concept. So pointer array concept, what is the basic here? The array name itself, address of the first element. Okay, array name is itself the address of the first element. Okay. So that is first pointers and arrays. Next topic is pointer arithmetic and arrays. Next topic, pointer arithmetic and arrays. So in this one, the first topic is pointers and one-dimensional arrays. What is one-dimensional array? 1D array, the list of elements sharing single name but having only one index, then it is called one-dimensional array. Okay. So now we are implementing the concept for pointers and one-dimensional array. Okay. If we have array A, then A is a constant pointing to the first element, and A plus 1 is a constant pointing to the second element. A means there is nothing but ampersand A of 0, first element address. A plus 1 means that is pointing to the second element, that is ampersand A of 1. Okay. In the similar way, I am taking a pointer variable. Okay. Suppose the same pointer variable I am representing here, A comma B. Okay. First element is pointing to array A, array name A, and I am taking one more variable, pointer variable P. So if you have a point P, then P is pointing to the first element. So if P is pointing to the first element, what is next element? P plus 1 is pointing to the second element. Okay, that is important here. Okay. So we can go for C program here. C program for pointers and one-dimensional. Here I am declaring int a of 5 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where so 1 is having memory location 2000, 2 is having memory location 2002, 3 is having memory location 2004. So 4 is having memory location 2006, 5 is having memory location 2008. Okay. Now I am writing P equal to A. It is very important declaration. P equal to A. What is P equal to A means? P equal to first element address. What is first element here? A of 0, ampersand A of 0. What is ampersand A of 0? Address of A of 0 here in our example 2000. Okay. Now printf, the array elements are, I am going for loop here. For I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, printf percentage d slash t star p plus a. Very, very important topic in observation, very important concept, very important observation pointers and arrays. P plus I. See here, first one. P. What is P value now? 2000. 2000 plus 0 means 2000. Star 2000 means value at 2000. What is value at 2001? Okay, no problem. At I equal to 0, we are substituting 0 here. Star P plus 0. What is P value here? 2000. What is the P value here? 2000. 2000 plus 0. Star 2000. So 2000 address. Star 2000 means value at 2000. What is value at 2001? Okay, no problem. Next. For I equal to 1. So I equal to 1. Star P plus 1. Very, very important. Star P plus 1. So here 1 means It is not integer increment. It is pointer increment. Point increment always depends on the data type size. So here p plus 1 means not 2000 plus 1. It is p plus 1 means 2000 plus 1 into 2. Why you are multiplying with the 2? Because the size of integer variable is 2. So we are writing here at I equal to 1. Here I am giving some comment line of showing. At I equal to 1. At I equal to 1, it should be, so what is here? Star of 2000 plus 1 into 2. Why I'm writing 2? Because the size of integer variable is 2. What total value? Star 2000. What is that? Is equal to star 2002. Star 2002. What is star 2002? Value at 2000. What is value at 2002? So I am displaying 2 also. At I equal to 1. So here, what is important point here? Here, increment of 1 in pointer error means in terms of data type. Suppose it is integer means 1 into 2. Float means 1 into 4. So char means 1 into 1 only. Okay, double means 1 into 8. Like based on the size of the data type, we have to add to the base address. 2000 is called base address. Now we can go for I equal to 2. I can go for I equal to 2 here. So I value 2. So now we can go for p plus. P plus. What is p value? Base address. Same. Plus. What is I value? 2. 2 into 2. So I into size of the data type. Here I am going for 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means what total value here? 2004. What is 2004 value? Star 2004. Value at 2004. What is value at 2004? 3. Value at 2004 is 3. That is I equal to 2. Okay. In a similar way, I equal to 3. In the similar way, I equal to 3. Again. So 2000 plus 3 into 2. So 3 into 2. What is changing? Only I value change. So what is the value here? 6. Okay. So 2006. So star 2006. Star 2006 means value at 2006. What is value at 2006 here? 4. Okay. That is 4. Value 4. That is value 4. Next. At I equal to 4 again. At I equal to 4. Okay. So again, star, that is nothing but that is equal to star 2000 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 into 2. A total value now 2008. Star 2008 means value at 2008. What is value at 2008? That is nothing but 5. Next, I value becomes 5. 5 less than 5. Condition false. So in this way, we are printing array values by using pointer. Oh, here, what is the important point here? Point increment means that is in terms of data type. So integer means it is incremented. 1 increment means that is increment of 2. 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008. Character increment means only that the size of character data type is 1. So 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004 like this. So float means in terms of 4. 2000, 2004. Plus 1 means 2004. Again plus 2 means 2008. Again plus 3 means 2012. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 4. Okay. That is about floating point. Okay. So that is a point increment. Okay. So this is the C program for pointers and one dimensional. Okay. Next, we can go for next topic. Arithmetic operations on pointers. Arithmetic operations. What are arithmetic operations on pointers now? Arithmetic operations involving pointers are very limited. So we are doing arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, postfix and postfix increment, and postfix decrement. We are using only 4 operations on pointers. So 4 operations on appropriate array or any value, or we can take any value or array values. Okay. So we are applying only 4 operations of pointers. First one, addition, pointer addition, pointer subtraction, postfix increment of pointer, postfix decrement of pointer. 4 operations. So we are performing on values, whether it should be a single value or the values may be array values. Okay. So for this, see the first point, arithmetic operations involving pointers are very limited. So how the addition is takes place. So for doing addition, what we require, at least two operands should be required. So suppose I want to add two numbers means, so a plus, okay, at least two values should be required. So here also addition can be used when one operand is a pointer. When addition pointation takes place, one operand is a pointer and other is integer. So first operand is a pointer, second operand is integer. That is the addition point of it. Otherwise, the addition of pointer is not allowed. Okay. So one operand is a pointer, another is integer. Second, subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction can be used only when both operands are pointers. So I can make subtraction between two pointers. So how much distance between those two values or two addresses? So P2 minus P1, where P2 is representing one address value, P1 representing another address value. That is one operation regarding subtraction. Next one, when the first operand is pointer and second operand is integer, just like addition. Addition also, first operand is pointer, second operand is integer. Here also subtraction also same. First operand is pointer, second operand is integer. Okay. Next, third one, you can manipulate pointer with the postfix, unary increment, and decrement operand. Only postfix. Okay. So these are the arithmetic operations. Okay. Now we will see the program now. Here I am taking array values. By simplicity, I am taking only three values here. Okay. C program for pointer arithmetic main into a of 3 equal 10, 20, 30. What is 10? Where 10 is stored now? A of 0. A of 0 value 10. A of 1 value is 20. A of 2 value 30. Okay. A of 0, 10. A of 1 value 20. A of 2 value 30. Okay. Star P. So here I am taking integer point. Okay. Now I am writing P equal to A. Now I am writing P equal to A. What is meant by P equal to A? So A means array name. Array name always represent first element address. That is ampersand A of 0 address. Okay. So here I am not mentioning any values. Suppose we can imagine A of 0 at 2000. 20 means that is located at 2002. 30 is located at 2004 because integer occupies 2 bytes. Okay. 10 is occupied at 2000, 20 is occupied at 2002, 30 is occupied at 2004. Okay. Now I am applying now first now. So P at P equal to A. What is the value stored at P at address of P? So now P stores what is the P stores now 2000. So here I am printing next statement. What is the value stored at that address? There is nothing but A of 0 value. Okay. Now the value stored at address of P is percentage. So what is the address of P? 2000. So the value stored at 2000 is what is the value stored at 2000? There is nothing but A of 0, 10. Okay. At this time, what I am doing here, addition operation. P equal to P plus 1. See here, P equal to P plus 1. What is P value? Pointer variable. What is plus 1 value? Integer value. P equal to P plus 1. So it satisfies our constraint. Okay. When I'm doing pointer addition, first operand is pointer variable, second operand is integer variable. So P equal to P plus 1. Okay. Now P equal to P plus 1 means what is the value of P equal to P plus 1? Already we discussed that. A of 0 value is 2000. Okay. Ampersand A of 0 value is 2000. Okay. Now what is P equal to P plus 1 now? I'm writing a comment line. P equal to 2000 plus 1 into 2. 2000 plus 1 into 2. So what is that value? 2002. 2000. The value is 2002. Okay. So what is the value at 2002? There's nothing but A of 1. A of 1 is nothing but 20. Now the value stored at address P is percentage D. Star P means value at 2002. Star P means what is star P? Value at 2000. What is value at 2000? That is nothing but A of 1. Sorry, value at 2002. Or that is A of 1. A of 1 is nothing but 20. Okay. Next, I can go for one more increment operation. P equal to P plus 1. Now, what is the current value of P? 2002. Now, P equal to P plus means incrementing one more value. Incrementing one more value. Okay. Increment one more. What is the value now here? So P equal to this is not star P here, just P equal to here. That is comment line. Okay. Now P equal to what is the value previous of 2000? 2002 plus again 1 into 2. 2002 plus 1 into 2. What is that value? Equal to 2004. So what I am printing now? So what I am printing now? Now the value stored at address P is, what is the value of address here? 2004 is. So star P, value at 2004. What is the value of 2004? There is nothing but A of 2. 2000, 2002, 2004. A of 2. What is A of 2? 30. In this way, I am displaying 10, 20, 30. 3 values of array. Now I can go for subtraction operation. P equal to P minus 1. Now what is the current P value? 2004. Now the current P value is 2004. I am writing like this. So P equal to 2004 minus 1 into 2. 2004 minus, because minus 1. So in what way the point is incrementing based on data type? 1 means 2, 2 means 4. In the similar way, P equal to P minus 1 means, in the similar way, the value is incremented by 2 units. 1 into 2 units, because the size is 2. 2 units. 2004 minus 1 into 2. What is the value here? 2002. 2002. This is comment line. Okay. 2002. Now what is value P now? P always contains address. Pointer where always stores address. Okay. Now the value stored at address of P. What is the address of P here? Address 2000 is address of 2000 is star P. What is star P? Value at 2002. What is value at 2002? Nothing but A of 1. A of 1 is nothing but 20. So we are getting again back 20. Again, now what I'm doing here? P plus plus. Now what is the next operation? Post increment operator. So I can go for third of post increment operator. What is P? P plus plus means P equal to P plus 1. So P equal to P plus 1. Okay. So P equal to P plus 1. So P equal to P plus 1. So now what is P current P value? 2002 plus 1 means plus 1 into 2. Plus 1 into 2. Then nothing but 2004. So to that 2004. Now the value stored at address of P. Address of 2000 is. So address of P means 2000. So that is 2004 is percentage D. What is that percentage D value? Star P. Value at 2004. What is the value at 2004? Then nothing but 30. Okay. Next I can go for P minus minus. What is P minus minus here? P minus minus means P equal to slash star. So P equal to P minus 1. What is current value of P? 2004 minus 1 into 2. 1 into 2. That nothing but 2004 minus 2004 minus 2. That is nothing but 2002. Okay. 2002. Okay. Now the value stored at address P. What is the address of here? 2002 is percentage. So what is the percentage value? Star 2002. So value at 2002. What is the value at 2002? Nothing but A of 1. That is 20. Okay. So A of 0 means 2000 address. A of 1 means 2002 address. A of 2 means 2004 address. In this way, I am performing all operations: addition, subtraction, post-fix increment, post-fix decrement on array 3 values. Okay. This is about one-dimensional pointer arithmetic. Okay. On one-dimensional. Okay. Next we can go for pointers and two-dimensional arrays. What is two-dimensional array? A list of values sharing single name having 2 subscripts. Then it is called two-dimensional array. A list of elements sharing single name and having 2 subscripts. Then it is called two-dimensional array. Okay. Now see here. Pointers can be used to manipulate two-dimensional arrays. Consider the following statement: int x34. What is x34 means? It is 2 dimensions, 2 subscripts, 3, 4. One is row, second one is row column. Okay. Or 2 directions: x, y, y, z, z, x. Okay. Now the following 2 rotations are used to refer the two-dimensional array elements. Okay. X, just I am placing x means points to the first row. Okay. Next x plus I where here based on x here. Okay. New notations. X means points to the first row. X plus I means points to the ith row. Star of x plus I means points to the first element in the ith row. First element in the ith row. Star x plus I. So 0, plus 1, plus 2 like this one. So when I'm taking I value 0 means points to the first element in the ith row. That is the meaning of I. I means I'm taking it there 0. Okay. Now star x plus I plus j points to the jth element. Jth element in the ith row. So points to jth element in the ith row. So j represents for column. Okay. Next star x plus I plus j. That is nothing but value. Value stored in the ith row and jth column. So all are referring. First four are referring all are address values. Points means all are address values. Last one star of x plus I plus j means that is nothing but value stored in the ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. Okay. Now see here. Now we can go program for C program for pointers and two-dimensional arrays. Pointers and two-dimensional arrays. Okay. Next, first we can go for main int x 10 r comma c comma I comma j. Printf. Enter the rows and columns of a matrix. So rows I am representing here R, columns I am representing here C. Scan a percentage D, ampersand R comma ampersand C. Printf. Enter the number of elements of the matrix. For I equal to 0, I less than R, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than C, j plus plus. Scan a percentage D star x plus I plus C. Here see the notation. Star x plus I plus C. Points to the jth element and ith row means there is the address. So star x plus I plus j. Okay. That is for next printf. The elements of the matrix are for I equal to 0, I less than R, I plus plus. Okay. So next we can go for j equal to 0, j less than C, j plus plus. Print a percentage CD star x plus I plus C. It is retrieving value at that address. Okay. So printf slash. So here I'm writing here base again slash and means here I'm printing in the form of a matrix format. Okay. Suppose I'm giving here output also for understanding. Okay. Understanding I'm writing here. So what is the output here? See the output here. Output. Yeah. We'll go for what first statement here. Enter the rows and columns of a matrix. Enter the rows and columns. Just copy. Just shift right arrow. Selecting shift right arrow or mouse with select on this one. Enter the rows and columns of matrix. Columns of matrix. Control C. Okay. So go bottom. Output. Okay. Enter the rows and columns of matrix. Control V. So here I'm taking 2 by 2. So 2 rows, 2 columns. So 2 rows, 2 columns, how many values are available? 4 values. First row 2 values, second row 2 values. Okay. Columns. Okay. Column is very important in the arrays. Next. Enter the elements of the matrix. Slash and slash. So we are entering the elements in the next line. Slash and slash. Okay. Enter the elements of the matrix. Yes. Enter the elements of the matrix. Okay. Control C. Okay. Enter the elements of the matrix. And here. Enter the control V. 1. We'll go for 2, or we can write here. So this is our decision. So we can go for 1 space 2. Enter 3 space 4. So we can go in a line, no problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So after entering 4 elements, again I display those 4 elements. Here, what is important here? Scan a percentage D star x plus I plus j is important. Otherwise, what I'm writing ampersand x of I object. So otherwise, you can write in this way in what we are writing here. Here star x of ij, x of ij. We are writing x of ij. Okay. X of I object. Okay. That is in terms of what we are writing star x plus I plus j. Remember the notation. Star x plus I plus j. Okay. So in this we are reading 4 elements. What are the 4 elements we are reading? 1, 2, 3, 4. After reading that one, we can again we have to print the elements. Okay, again display the elements. What are the reading elements? Those we are again displaying. Those were displaying. Control C. So are displaying the elements. Okay. Control V. What are the elements of the matrix we are getting here? So first row. I equal to 0. First we are going for first row. I equal to 0. I less than R. I plus I equal to I less than 2. We are taking the number of rows 2. I equal to 0. At I equal to 0, what are the values we are getting? J equal to 0, J equal to 1. I equal to 0, J equal to 0, J equal to 1. So that is x of 0 plus 0. X of 0 plus 1. Okay. So we are getting first row values. 1 space 2. Okay. What are the values we are reading? 1, 2. Here also display 1. Next, print of slash. That's why we are moving to second line. So here I am percentage 3D. So 3D means 2 spaces. In between 2 number 7, 3 spaces. The third space we are printing the value. Okay. So 1 space space 2. Okay. Next we can go for 3, 4. We can go for 3, 4. 3 space 4. At I equal to 1. So always row value is fixed. What is varying? Column value is we are varying column value. Okay, j equal to 0, j equal at j equal to condition is false. Okay, we are getting the values 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in this way we are getting the values. Okay, so today what we are discussing today, we are discussing 3 topics. First topic is pointers and arrays. The concept is pointer arrays. In pointer arrays, what we are discussing here? The array name and first element address both are same. The array name and the array name itself indicating the address of the first element of the array. That is first point. You can note down in the notebook. The name of the array is nothing but the address of the first element of the given that array. So once again I'm repeating, the array name is nothing but the address of the first element of that array. That is array pointer. Okay. Based on that concept, we are implementing a programming for arrays and pointers. Okay. See the example here. I am taking array A of 5 is contained 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A of 0, A of 0, first element, and array name A, both are containing same address. That is first value address. What is first byte? First value address 2000. Okay, that is the first point. So very important point here. Again, we are discussing pointers and one-dimensional array. So by using pointers, how to access, how to read and display the one-dimensional array. Okay. For that purpose, we are using one initialization. So declare A of 5 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star P equal to A, I'm writing. P equal to A, I'm writing. So what is P is containing? Nothing but ampersand A of 0. So nothing but 2000. Okay. So at I equal to 0, we show here 2000 plus 0. 2000 plus 1 into 2. Multiple of 2. 2002. There is nothing but 2. Next, I equal to 2. 2004. So 2000 plus 2 into 2. Okay. 2 into 2. I equal to 2. Next. 2000 plus 3 into 2. Okay. I value 3. That's data type size is it is type is 2. 2006. What is 4? 2000 plus 4 into 2. I equal to 2002. 2000 plus 4 into 2. That is 2008. That is 4. This is about one dimensional and pointers. So what is important here? P equal to A. This statement is very important. So where P is a pointer variable, A is array name. So P is a pointer variable, A is array name. So P equal to A means I am assigning first element address to pointer variable. So once again repeating, always when a variable is declared as pointer, P means address. Star P means value at that address. Once again repeating, when a variable is declared as a pointer variable, so that variable is P, just like for example, it should be P. P means address. Star P means value at that address. Okay. Next, arithmetic operation pointers. What are the operations we can perform in the pointers? Addition, subtraction, postfix increment, postfix decrement. Addition, subtraction, postfix decrement, postfix decrement. Those 4 operations we can perform. Okay. Take an array value a of 3 equal 10, 20, 30, star p, p equal to a, p equal to ampersand a of 0, 2000, p equal to p plus 1, p equal to p plus 1, p equal to p minus 1. Subtraction. P plus plus, p minus minus. Okay. These 4 operations are showing. Okay, here I am displaying not address value. I am displaying the value at the address. In some textbooks they are giving they are displaying only address values. But here I am not interested on the address values. I am interested on the values. So because the values are very important. Okay. So those values I am printing by using star p notation. Okay. P equal to p plus 1. P equal to p plus 1. Okay. Next, pointers and arrays. Next, we can go pointers and arrays. So for pointers and 2-dimensional arrays. Here also we are doing these 4 notations. X implies points to the first row. X plus I implies points to the ith row. Star X plus I means points to the first element in the ith row. Or you can go for points to the ith element in the ith row. You can, but in general, we write first element in the ith row. No problem. Okay. Star X plus I plus J points to the jth element in the ith row. J represents column, I represents row. First row, first column, first row, second column. Here, array point of view, first row means that represents 0. 0, 0 means first row, first column. 0, 1 means first row, second column. 0, 2 means first row, third column. Okay. 0 always the first row. 0 means always starting value for it. Okay. So star X plus I plus J points to the j terminal in the ith row. Star 2 stars are giving X plus I plus J because why it is means 2-dimensional. So that's why star X plus I plus J value stored in the ith row and jth column. Okay. Now we can go for the same. What is important here? This is important. For I equal to I less than or I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than j plus plus. Scan of percentage d. What we have to write here? Ampersand x of I of ampersand x of I of j. Instead of writing ampersand x of I of j, writing star x plus I star x plus I. Okay. In the similar way, for displaying also, what we have to display here? You can go here. You can go here. We can write x of I of j. We can go for x of I of j. X of I of j. Okay. So that way representing in the pointer star x plus I star x plus I plus. Okay. So we already discussed about output also. So 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the array 2 by 2 matrix, we are writing 1, 2. There's a slash in, we are going for second. See why your gap is available because of percentage 3D. This base are available. Okay. So you have any doubts? Okay, comment in the comment section. Okay. So if any topic is not understand, so reply in the comment box. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching.